Hi everyone, welcome back to the video. So guys, in this video I will tell you one very good opportunity coming from ordinary school for the role of data science guys, and many of you are knowing that the demand of data science day by day increasing and there are multiple job opening in their career platform. So guys, in this video I will tell you one best platform to learn this skill along with placement assistant. But before that, let me tell you one success story of Siva Ranjan. Although he is from tier 3 college and right now he is working as a successful business analyst at Genpact. Okay, so how he has started his career in the field of data science or in the IT company, what are the problem he has faced, so everything I will tell you in detail. Okay, so let's start. So here you can see a listening success from limited resources. So although he is from tier 3 college and lack of unlistening success from limited resources, so many of you knowing that the if you're from tier 3 college, so there you can face many problems. Sometimes resources are not available and placements are also not coming. So he has faced many problems during his college date, but anyhow he has managed, and right now he's working as a business analyst at he has done their graduation from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Although he's from tier 3 college, okay, but although he is hardworking and passionate about learning new skills, during his third year of college he has planned to upgrade her skill in line with industry requirement. He know that it would require at least 6 months of dedication effort to upgrade her skill, and he planned according to that before graduating. And after much searching and consulting with senior, he get to know about ordinary school. And before joining ordinary school, he come across several inspiring success stories and idea of joining ordinary school. And after that, finally he has joined ordinary school, and there he has covered many database programming languages, exploring data analyst and visualizing tools. But more than that, it will teach you how to think critically, problem solving step by step, and approaching challenges with methodical mindset. And after doing hard work and completing the intensive bootcamp, he found himself shortlisted by 6 different companies, and amongst that choice he has selected Genpact as a business analyst, and now he is working as a successful business analyst. Okay, so this is how he has started his career in the field of data science. So in short guys, I have tell you every important point, whatever highlights they have mentioned. So if you want to know more, so you can read all these things. And also he has mentioned some of the advice for ITs and non-IT freshers. So here you can see prepare a strategy to study at the beginning of the courses, not when the placement start, and focus on being a jacket of all skill and master at least one skill only. Okay, so these are the some of the advice they have mentioned for freshers. Okay, so you can read all these things. So in short, I have tell you about the success story. So now let me tell you about the platform which helped him to start his career in the field of business analyst at Genpact. So you can see right now in the screen ordinary school data science courses, join learn get as live bootcamp with placement assistant, and in Google guys 4.7 rating is there out of 5, so you can check it. Okay, and here's some highlights they have mentioned, like live instructed lead bootcamps, job readiness in 6 months. So duration for this bootcamp is only 6 months, and project based learning is also there, and unlimited job opportunity also there. Okay, and many good and big companies also hiring through this platform guys. So these are the few highlights they have mentioned about this opportunity. An important date for upcoming quarter is starting from 28th of October this month, and bootcamp fee will be 99,000 plus GST. And right now some scholarship is also there up to 30,000, and first 100 seat restaurant 10,000 is also off. Okay, so fee structure we will discuss in detail guys, but before that let me tell you about the required qualification for this opportunity. So any graduate can apply for this opportunity guys, and if a fresher and experienced both can apply for this opportunity. Means below 2023 batches can apply for this opportunity, and all branches can apply for this opportunity, and there is no any branch and percentage criteria for this opportunity guys. So if you have less than 60% and if you are passionate and want to start your career in the field of data science, then you can join this bootcamp. Okay, so now let me tell you about the what are the skills you're gonna learn in these 6 months. So you can see the most in demand skill in a single curriculum. So courses modules are SQL Foundation, SQL Advanced, Python Foundation, Python Advanced, Statics, Exploratory Data Analysis, EDS, and ML Machine Learnings, Power BI, PySpark, Git, and GitHub, Generative AI. So these are the skills you're gonna learn in this bootcamp, and also here some bonus modules are there. So Power BI Advanced, Storytelling, SQL Extraction. Okay, so this all skills you're gonna cover in this 6 month. And also guys, they offer to you to work on a project, whatever project currently running on an industry. So you can see what's a great curriculum without project based learning. Okay, and right now 10 plus data science project running on industry. So you can see COVID-19 prediction, credit card approval, health insurance prediction. So just scroll right to left and you can see many projects are running on industry, and they will offer to you to work on this all project. Okay, and also guys, in case if you have any doubts and queries, so live doubt session is also there, and they will also guide guide you how you can present your project. So here's some highlights they have mentioned. Okay, and also guys, they will help you during placements. For that they have some additional career services. So you can see power ahead in your career with career services like resume building, mock interview, behavioral skill workshop, online profile buildings, industry interaction, and unlimited job opportunity. And many good and big company also hiring through this platform. So you can see right now 500 plus hiring partners are there, and company like Google, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, TCS. So many good and big companies are hiring through this platform. So you can check out guys. And right now 375 job opportunity available to our learner this week. So you can see, and medium package will be 7 LP and highest package will be 26 LP. Okay, and top job role offer through this platform guys. You can see data analyst, data engineer, data scientist, machine learning engineers, and Power BI developers. So these all 5 top job offer through this platform. And also guys, many students are getting placed through this platform. So before applying, don't forget to check their LinkedIn profile. If you have any doubts and query, you can directly contact with them on LinkedIn. So you can see, just click on this one, and after that you will redirect to LinkedIn page, and there you can directly talk with them. Okay, and also guys, mentors are already working in industry, so they have better skill and knowledge. They will teach you and guide you in better ways. So you can see, meet our mentors and his speakers. So you can see Dr. Mohit Sevak, he's working as a principal applied AI research at Microsoft, and Saurabh Roy is working as a data scientist at IBM. Okay, so mentors are already working as they have better skill and knowledge. They will teach you and guide you in better way. Okay, so although we have discussed every important highlight except fee structure, so let's discuss about fee structure guys. You can see, get it started. So your final fee will be 99,000 plus GST, and right now some scholarship is also there up to 30,000, and 10,000 is also off for first 100 seat registration. So your final fee will be around 60,000, and no cost premium option is also there, starting for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months, and per month only 5,500 only. Okay, and seat reservations fee is only 5,000 plus GST, and this platform is also trusted by many students because your refund policy is also there. So no need to worry, you can apply for this opportunity. So you can see, if you wish to withdraw from the bootcamp within the first 10 days from the start days, your fee will be fully refunded. Okay, and important date guys, upcoming course is starting from 28th of October. So anyone can apply for this opportunity, and not everyone gonna shortlist for this opportunity guys, but you can try for this opportunity. Okay, and also before applying, don't forget to check FAQ section, because here some general question answer are already done. So you can see, how long is the data science courses of 500 hours of learning across 6 months. So here some general question answer are already done, so you can check out guys. Okay, so how you can apply for this opportunity guys, just go upside and you can see one registration form is there right side. So fill your first name, last name, email ID, contact numbers, and year of registration. So if you're from 2023 batches, just select this one, and experience if you're fresher than none. Okay, and request a call back, and after they will contact you. So this is how you can apply for this opportunity guys. So if you face any problem, you can do comments, and you can directly contact us on Instagram. So guys, both apply link and Instagram link given in video description. So check description for more information guys. And also before submitting the form, make sure that you're rechecking your form so that there will be no mistake. Okay guys.